This is Chuk Surface and we'll be taking on Euro NZD. So from this time frame, you notice this is an uptrend, as you can see from here. This is a lower low. This is a lower low, higher high, and you trace lower low, you trace higher high, lower low, higher high. So you are and you can see there has been a price rejection from this place that's supposed to bring this price down. So we will capitalize on that movement to take trade. So let's go over to 1 hour time frame. We just get the direction of the market. You see in the monthly time frame, you can see the price rejection. You can see price rejection in the monthly time frame, and you see price rejection in the monthly time frame. So what do we have to do is go over to weekly time frame. This is where you pay more attention to. So in the weekly time frame, you're seeing something like a head and a shoulder pattern. Yeah, we're seeing something like a head and a shoulder pattern. So how do we trade this setup? We trade the head and the shoulder pattern to this level here. This level here. It must surely come down to this level. So how do we capitalize on it? We can't trade on the weekly level, so we go over to daily. And this is the daily time frame of NZD USD, and you can see it should give us a head and shoulder pattern. I'm a trader that do trade with multiple confirmation. That's my confluence, counter trade line, and top down analysis. So how do we capitalize in this? How do we capitalize in this? So I'm waiting for this market to fill up this imbalance over here. Over here. Then we're waiting for us to take the sell to this level before we can look over to the next step, which the market wants to create. So how do we capitalize that move? We move over to 4 hours time frame. Move over to 4 hour time frame, and you can see in the 4 hour time frame we have much rejection here, and we have rejection here. So anytime the markets come across this place, it pushes this back to tell you that there is a long level of resistance there that keep pushing the market down. So how do we trade this setup now? Let me explain something. You can see sellers keep pushing the market back to buyers, and the buyers keep pushing the market back to sellers, and the sellers keep pushing it back to the buyers, and so on and so on. But the sellers gain momentum to push it downwards, downwards. So we can't trade trade blindly. So we're waiting for this trade to retest back here. Then we take a sell to this level. We're going to take a sell to this level. This level here is going to be our TP1. This level here is going to be, sorry, this level here, this level here is going to be our TP1. TP1. So this is how we go into the market. I can't give the exact spot where this market is going to take place because this is December and January period. There is manipulation everywhere. They try to take the early entry out of the trade. So here is where I expect the market to react to, or this point. Sorry. Or this point over here. So you come here to touch this other block here. Then we take the sell, or this market we soon come here and we take the sell. So yeah, I'll be risking 50 pips to gain 670 pips. That's 1 to 13 ratio. That's a good investment. Sorry, I should adjust my SL. It's better for me to adjust my SL since I know the direction of the market than being stopped out. So this is 58 pips and we are targeting 11 pips. And we're targeting 11 pips. So this is going to be our TP window. We're targeting TP2. So we're going over to the next pairs, which I'm going to explain. But let me pause the video so that it will be fresh.